So walking distance from Megève Center, that's the building, and there is a garage and there are parking spaces here. So we're on the side of the Jaillet. Hop. So this is this flat. First bedroom here. There's access to the balcony as well. Second double bedroom here with an ensuite here. There are guest loos here. A single bedroom here, and with the double bedroom there is no ensuite that depend on that shower room. And then upstairs we have the master bedroom with a nice Velux here. Here with some storage, and here with their own private bathroom, with bathtub, shower, and toilet here. And then if we go back down, let's go to the terrace. So there's the first part here, where here is large enough to maybe put a little table, and actually it goes all the way here. Where we could add some long chairs to enjoy the sun. Here we overlook the first double bedroom, and this one too, and here it overlooks the living room. So yeah, walking distance to the village, ski shuttles and everything.